I'm Troy Cummings with Home Membership, and I would like to bring to your attention today 3 important maintenance items every homeowner should do. Because doing these 3 things can potentially save you hundreds of dollars in annual home utility bills, as well as keep your family safe. Yearly HVAC maintenance and routine furnace filter changeout are a must. HVAC systems need regular maintenance in order to work efficiently as possible. Neglected HVAC systems can cause a variety of problems, including buildup of dust or rusted parts. This causes the system to work harder and uses more energy, causing your utility bill to increase. At Home Membership, we suggest having your home's heating and cooling system cleaned and checked at least once a year for maximum efficiency and longevity. Next is a water heater flush. Sediment builds up in your hot water heater over time, and it needs to be drained out. Most manufacturers recommend you perform this basic maintenance task at least once a year. Because that sediment makes your hot water heater work harder, that translates into a bigger utility bill and a shorter lifespan for your water heater. And last, and the most overlooked maintenance item every homeowner should do is a dryer vent cleaning. When the vent line of your dryer is clogged, the length of time to dry your clothes will increase, as well as your energy costs, since the dryer has to work harder to dry your clothes. A simple yearly cleaning will save you a lot of money on utility costs, as well as reduce your chances of a fire. Well, there you have it. I hope this was helpful for you, and if you would like to find out and get more information on our maintenance plans and how to have these items done for you and a slew of other maintenance items, please visit us at homemembership.com and see our maintenance plans and build out the membership that is perfect for your family. Thank you and have a great day.